Here we are, a world that lies both humans and animals. Now you may be thinking, this world seems pretty great. Well, let me tell you.
What it wasn't.
Can't catch me, can't catch me. Whoa. The world seemed pretty peaceful, but then... Alright, first day on the job. All I gotta do is find someone named Pig. Well, that shouldn't be too hard. This looks like the place. Weird, the door's already open. Hello, anyone there? Detective P here. That's odd. Who's there? What the? A cow with red eyes? And he's coming directly towards me with a bat. Why would someone leave bear traps lying around? I gotta get it off. Ugh. Come on, legs, run! What was that? Red eyes aren't natural. It's like a demon or something. Best not to think about it now. I've gotta get out of here. More traps? Better avoid them. Alright, the lock is the same color as the key, so it has to go here. The backyard. Oh great, that fence is way too high for me to jump over. Well, at least there's more keys. Oh great, the cat is back. Well, this time I've got a plan. Yeah. Just got away. Alright, I can finally get out of here. Finally! Now I can wonder, why did he have red eyes? Hey guys, come on in. I don't feel so good. Relax, Wolf, it's just allergies. It is that time of season after all. Yeah, but this feels way worse than allergies. Wolf, I'm sure it's fine. Go in Cat's bathroom, there's probably some medicine there. Alright, fine. Cat, are you almost ready to go to camp? Almost, just be patient. Yeah, so now I'm the impatient one.
Come on, Peter. Let's just sign. But we. Okay, where do I sign?
I'm so excited to get to Camp Amigo. Me too, but where's Wolf? Last I saw him, he said he was sick, so I told him to go to your bathroom to find medicine. Well, what do you say we go find him? Alright, piece of cake. I don't have any cake. Wait, I'm going the wrong way. Hello, is anyone there? I need some help. I'm coming. Hey, you alright? Ah, another one! Hello, Detective P here to help. I'm just gonna assume no one's here. Hopefully there's something I can find in here. What's this? Ah! What is this? Ugh. Where am I? Leave him behind. Ignore him. It's just another one of those monsters. It's a trap. Don't listen to it. It's dangerous. Okay, who is this? He doesn't need you. Ignore him. It's another monster. It's all in your head. 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 Leave me alone. What is this? It's what's gonna happen to you if you don't give up. Give up. Give up. Give up. Give up. The orbs of power call to you. It's your time. Ah! I need to save that guy. I can't listen to those voices in my head. What happened? How long was I out? Doesn't matter. I need to save that guy. Alright, Factory. Let's see what you got. Day 2. Stone. No one's found the body yet. Let's hope someone does soon.